alone, 88 pounds and others.
Okay, welcome back to American Dream Garage. This video will be about my 66 Mustang Fastback. I am not particularly a big Ford guy. I do have a Lincoln and another 66 Mustang, but this body style is one that has always interested me, primarily the Mustang Cobras, but the Fastback 64 to 66 I believe is iconic American styling. And so this project, normally where I wouldn't attack a project at this level, is very interesting to me because this car is a blank canvas. I can do really anything with it. I recently went to an auction in Florida and there were probably 10 Fastbacks 64 to 66, primarily 65, 66. And there were really three different categories they fell into. One was restored back to original, and some of those had minor modifications that I still fit them in that category. The second was a resto mod, anywhere between full-blown suspension, transmission brakes, engine swaps, to any variation thereof. And then the final category were Shelby clones, and there were 3 of them from mild to severe. And by severe I don't mean authentic, but full-blown Coyote engines. You'll see the video, but 180 or 160,000 didn't buy it. So I don't have anything envisioned for this car that would be that severe, but I will show some more pictures of the car as it sits today, and then we'll put out 3 videos following this one that will show those 3 categories of cars, a review of each car, as well as the sale price and watching it across the block. So I didn't want to put them all in one video because it would be extremely long. I would like everyone's comments as to what they think I should do with this car, or their perceptions of what it may or may not be in its current form, because I do not know a whole lot about the car. Thanks.